Welcome to our CNC Turning Workshop, which is an efficient, accurate, and innovative manufacturing world. In this world, every process is art. Every cutting is a meticulous process. In our CNC Turning Workshop, we have high spindle speed and feed, which can effectively remove various materials. Whether it's aluminum, stainless steel, brass, or copper, we're able to steer freely and create the perfect finish. Our CNC turning service not only has high spindle speed and feed, but also has a variety of power tools for additional operations such as milling, drilling, and tapping. This versatility allows us to handle small, complex parts and provide the best solution for your project. Whether it's light aluminum, tough stainless steel, or shiny brass and copper, we can make it into a variety of delicate parts. Every cutting is a full understanding and respect of the material characteristics, making every product glow with unique charm. Every product is the crystallization of our exquisite process. Whether precise mechanical parts or arts-like decorations, we add unique luster to your design with excellent quality. No matter how large or small your project is, no matter how complex your design is, we have the ability to cope with it. Choose our CNC turning service, which is excellent, exquisite, and innovative. Let's work together for a better future.